Are your donation forms suddenly full of tiny failed donations from names you do not recognize? That is card testing. Bots are using your form to check stolen credit cards. Here are 4 ways to shut them down. Getting spam or card testing donations, the best first move is to turn on a CAPTCHA. It quietly confirms a real person is filling out your form and blocks the bots. Go to Settings, then Security, then CAPTCHA. You can use Cloudflare Turnstile, Google reCAPTCHA, or HCAPTCHA. Turnstile is our pick. It is free, invisible to donors, and needs no Google account. Select Cloudflare Turnstile and Charitable walks you through it in about 2 minutes. Open the Cloudflare dashboard, create a free Turnstile widget, and choose the Manage type with the invisible appearance. Cloudflare gives you 2 keys, a site key and a secret key. Paste both keys, then click Test Connection. Charitable confirms your keys are valid. Save and continue, and CAPTCHA is now active on every donation form. Real donors pass right through while the bots get stopped. Next, set a minimum donation. Card testing bots love to submit tiny 1-cent charges, and a minimum shuts that down. Under Security, open forms and campaigns and set a default minimum donation. Turn on Apply to existing campaigns to cover all of your campaigns at once. Now the donation form shows the minimum upfront, and anything smaller is simply refused. You can still override the amount on any single campaign in the builder. For heavier attacks, turn on Donation Guard. It watches your donation forms for automated abuse and emails you the moment an attack begins. Switch it on and leave the detection sensitivity on normal. Turn on the repeat attempter block to stop card testing floods from a single email address. Here is the key tip. Start the action on log only. That records every match under Tools, then Logs, without turning anyone away. Once you have confirmed real donors are not affected, switch it to block. Finally, add a few more layers. Rate limiting can block an IP address after too many failed Stripe payments, which is classic card testing. In IP management, block a bad address outright or add it straight from a spam donations details. Back in forms and campaigns, switch on the honeypot and the time trap. They quietly reject bots that fill hidden fields or submit a form in under 2 seconds. And email validation blocks throwaway and disposable email domains. A few of these live outside Charitable. Put your site behind Cloudflare and turn on bot fight mode. In Stripe, turn on Radar to block risky payments. And ask your web host, many can stop bots before they ever reach your form. Stopping them early beats fighting them at the donation form. For more Charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.